Not so sure who it'll be. It's just got so many various uses, quite honestly.
Here,
Yeah.
I get the window.
You can make this, John. Sort of as much as.
Like
Well, we
if I did a
couldn't
shrink
get
it
both
on.
closets, right?
Like the full window, but it's still showing that
Yeah,
there's a
that
window there.
works. That's fine. I know how pretty this is gonna look in about a minute. All right, so my river. Yeah, definitely as much as possible. So now get out of your way then. I really do.
So this is.
All right, that's cool. Carry on. Just keep going. I'm seeing it. Awesome. Awesome. Yep. Yep. Oh, that's cool. Great. Great. Good
Awesome.
job. Thank you.